the Rui Palace Punta Cana room tour. I hope you enjoy it. First we have the liquor section. Coffee and tea and coffee machine. Don't know what that is here, but big bowl of water. Then if we come in here, we've got the fridge. Oh, wrong side. Oh, and a freezer area. Freezer. So a few drinks there. Bathroom, guys. No, his and her sinks again. Here, got a collection of toiletries here for ya. Blow dryer here, plug socket, toilet, and then just normal things here. Nice marble style walls. Got a magnifying wall, so boink. Shower here, overhead shower. Little towel there. Hopefully they have some more towels. Oh, we have some more towels under here. Great, so that was the oops. So that was the bathroom, guys. So then you come to the closet area. Got extra blankets, hangers. I'm going to hang up all my clothes here. Oh, we have an ironing board in there. Iron, safe. And yeah, pretty much simple. It's like slide and slide doors. So here's the other side, guys. Then you come to the bedside table. Walk it. This is like side lamps and stuff like that. Bedside table, some chest of drawers there. A bed, king size bed. Blah, blah, blah. Who's gonna be sleeping in that? Me. Another bedside table, got a phone, cool. Advertisement for their pool party. Then if you come here, step down. 1, 2. Another kind of another set of chest of drawers. Got a lovely painting abstract. Got blackout curtains here. Then you have a little lamp. Another painting here just above the sofa. It's green. And you have a coffee table just there. This is how the room looks like from the corner, upper corner of the room. Got a fan up there. Got a nice TV here. Nice head to toe mirror. Got a nice head to toe mirror here. Got a little bin inside. Air conditioning controls right here. So this is what the room looks like. And I'm going to show you guys outside. So pull the door open. Inside. Humidity. Sitting area here. Nice tray. Nice deck chair. Then I'm met by palm trees and on the other side of the property. Further in the distance I can see like the castle. So yeah, guys, that is the room tour. This is the room, guys. Finally got my coconut. A claps. Just taking a stroll down the beach. We're probably in another hotel right now because that's how the beaches are set up. But the room is very, very big. For you. Woo! Not gonna lie, the waves are pretty intense. They're very, very intense. Like super intensive waves. They could drag you out. So if you have little kids, hold on to them.
So here's me doing my makeup for the white party that is happening that night. So you're gonna see it in 2 seconds.
I just experienced the Rue white pool party. They had foam and everything, but it's heavily
It's heavily just Spanish music, rock music, not rock music. Yeah, it's heavily Spanish influenced pop music, you know, techno sort of things, and I can't do that. I need some bashment. I need some vibes. I need some Movado. I need some Bass Cartel. I need some conscience. I need some popcorn. I need flavor in the music, you know. But the Spanish music's nice, you know, it has a nice beat, but it's just not given what bashment would give, or Afrobeats. Even like a little Afrobeats, a little Wizkid, a little Davido. Oh, egal. I experienced it and it was fun to watch all the people get drunk and to watch them dance. Peace out and see you tomorrow. Good night.
The next day,
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel so.
This is the front of the Rui Palace Hotel. I'm going to give you a tour of this hotel. There probably won't be parts that I would include in the video, I'm not quite sure, but I will get as much information, as much content, as much pictures as I can in this 20-minute video, or however long this video is. I will capture everything that I've seen that I think is an asset to this hotel. Just walk along the beach side to the other Rui hotels to see if there's any super nice locations that I can show you guys. Oh, the juice is coming out. It would be considered as one of the hotels which is, you know, classed as I don't know, the same level as the Palace. Thank you, gracias. Here's me scooping the jelly out of the coconut. married in the back. But that's interesting. I've never experienced someone wanting to get married in such a public place. Like there's people still on the beach, sunbathing in their sunsuits, in their swimsuits and stuff. But we are venturing down the beach side right here. Let me show you guys. This one, another way to set up further down. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video so far. I'm gonna keep recording for y'all.